Через 5 секунд ти почнеш вивчати нові слова, а поки підпишись, постав лайк та напиши коментар.
Desert.
Пустеля.
The desert is very hot.
Daily.
Щоденний, щодня.
It is my daily routine.
Curtain.
Штора.
Close the curtain, please.
Nation.
Нація.
We are a strong nation.
Spoken.
Усний, сказаний.
Spoken English is important.
Safely.
Безпечним чином.
We arrived safely.
Fix.
Лагодити.
I can fix your bike.
Bottom.
Низ, дно.
Look at the bottom of the page.
Drama.
Драма, вистава.
She likes watching drama.
Law.
Закон.
You must follow the law.
Separate.
Окремий, розділяти.
Keep them in separate boxes.
Gallery.
Галерея.
We visited an art gallery.
Celebrity.
Знаменитість.
He is a famous celebrity.
Oil.
Олія, нафта.
I need some olive oil.
Nowadays.
Нині, в наш час.
People use phones a lot nowadays.
Extra.
Додатковий.
I need extra time.
Product.
Продукт, товар.
This is a new product.
Lake.
Озеро.
We swam in the lake.
Habit.
Звичка.
Reading is a good habit.
Virus.
Вірус.
Wash your hands to stop the virus.
Expect.
Очікувати.
I expect you to win.
Medicine.
Ліки, медицина.
Take your medicine on time.
Noisy.
Гучний, шумний.
The street is very noisy.
Eyebrow.
Брова.
She raised one eyebrow.
Somehow.
Якось.
We will do it somehow.
Model.
Модель, зразок.
She works as a fashion model.
Row.
Ряд.
We sat in the first row.
Document.
Документ.
Please sign this document.
Wipe.
Витирати.
Wipe the table, please.
Prince.
Принц.
The prince lives in a castle.
Engineer.
Інженер.
My father is an engineer.
Magic.
Магія, чарівний.
Do you believe in magic?
Tie.
Краватка.
He wears a black tie.
Dangerous.
Небезпечний.
Playing with fire is dangerous.
Intelligent.
Розумний.
She is an intelligent student.
Rule.
Правило.
You broke the game rule.
Length.
Довжина.
Measure the length of the room.
Fear.
Страх, боятися.
He has a fear of spiders.
Stone.
Камінь.
I threw a stone into the water.
Loudly.
Голосно.
Please do not speak so loudly.
Climate.
Клімат.
The climate here is mild.
Block.
Блок, квартал.
We live on the next block.
Task.
Завдання.
I finished my daily task.
Forest.
Ліс.
There are many trees in the forest.
Female.
The
Жіночий.
female bird is brown.
Deep.
Глибокий.
The ocean is very deep.
Comment.
Коментар, коментувати.
Leave a comment below.
Dressed.
Одягнений.
He is dressed in black.
Forward.
Вперед.
Move forward slowly.
Success.
Успіх.
I wish you success.
Secret.
Таємниця, таємний.
Can you keep a secret?
Handsome.
Гарний.
He is a handsome man.
Destination.
Пункт призначення.
We reached our destination.
Screen.
Екран.
Look at the TV screen.
Respond.
Відповідати.
He did not respond to my email.
King.
Король.
The king is very powerful.
Naturally.
Природно.
Smile naturally for the photo.
Store.
Магазин.
I am going to the grocery store.
Yourself.
Сам, себе.
Do it yourself.
Training.
Тренування.
My training starts tomorrow.
Following.
Наступний.
Answer the following questions.
Fail.
Провалювати, зазнати невдачі.
I don't want to fail the test.
Version.
Версія.
This is the latest version.
Insect.
Комаха.
A bee is an insect.
Catch.
Ловити, встигати.
Try to catch the ball.
Development.
Розвиток.
Child development is important.
Service.
Послуга, сервіс.
The hotel has good service.
Phrase.
Фраза.
Repeat this phrase.
Difficulty.
Трудність.
I had difficulty with this task.
Refuse.
Відмовлятися.
I refuse to do that.